Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we will focus on creating cinematic text intro. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate a practical example of creating cinematic text intro using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have added a video to the timeline. I have imported a white color background. Add a default text and increase the duration as per your requirement. I have selected a bold type font. Change the default text, increase the size, and set the position accordingly. Create a duplicate copy of the text. Set the position, change the text, and reduce the size. I have created another duplicate copy of the text welcome. Set the position and change the text. Add the white background to the timeline and adjust the duration with text. Disable the uniform scale. Reduce height and width as I have shown. Create a duplicate copy of the white background and set the position accordingly. Now, reduce the opacity of the video. Select the top white background image. Add the horizontal mask. Rotate the mask to 270 degrees or minus 90 degrees. Set the position of the mask as I have shown. Add 2 keyframes to the mask position at 0 and 2 seconds duration. At 0 seconds duration, change the mask position and hide the white line. Select the second white line and add the horizontal mask. Rotate the mask 90 degrees. Add 2 keyframes to the mask position at 0 and 2 seconds duration. At 0 seconds duration, change the mask position and hide the white line. Select the text placed in the middle. Add 2 keyframes to the opacity at 0 and 2 seconds position. At 0 seconds position, set the opacity value to 0. I have selected the text CapCut and created a compound clip using right mouse button. Add the horizontal mask and change the position of the mask as I have shown. Add 2 keyframes to the mask position at 0 and 2 seconds duration. At 0 seconds, change the mask position and hide the text CapCut. I have selected the text welcome and created a compound clip. Add the horizontal mask and rotate it 180 degrees. Change the position of the mask as I have shown. Add 2 keyframes to the mask position at 0 and 2 seconds duration. At 0 seconds, change the mask position and hide the text welcome. Select all compound clips, images, and text. Then combine them into a single compound clip. Reduce the opacity of the compound clip. I have imported a blue background to use behind the text. I have placed the blue background on the middle video track. Reduce the opacity of the blue background. Adjust the size and position of the background. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.